Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are effective natural and herbal ways to help prevent strokes. Number 1. Dietary modifications. A diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, such as the Mediterranean diet, presents a multifaceted approach to stroke prevention. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, these foods bolster vascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation within blood vessels. 2. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs like turmeric containing curcumin and ginkgo biloba boast potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that potentially aid in stroke prevention. However, it's crucial to consult healthcare professionals before integrating herbal supplements into your routine due to potential interactions with medications and individual health considerations. 3. Lifestyle modifications. Incorporating regular physical activity into daily routines, comprising activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for at least 150 minutes per week, significantly enhances cardiovascular health, thus reducing stroke risk. Managing stress, maintaining a healthy weight, and abstaining from smoking and excessive alcohol consumption complement these efforts, substantially lowering the chances of stroke occurrence. 4. Natural neuroprotective agents. Natural compounds like polyphenols in green tea, flavonoids in berries, and omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil exhibit neuroprotective properties, potentially mitigating stroke risk by reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. These lifestyle changes and preventive measures, when incorporated and tailored to individual needs, contribute significantly to reducing stroke risk. Nevertheless, it's crucial to consult healthcare providers before adopting any natural or herbal remedies to ensure their safety and compatibility with existing health conditions or medications. Subscribe to my channel for more.